Welcome to this tutorial on the new features in SimLab Composer 12.2. In this guide, we'll focus on two key capabilities introduced in this update: making node copies and setting material properties. You'll learn how to duplicate models within your experience, adjust their colors, and modify their transparency. Now let's begin. First, launch your project in SimLab Composer. Then select the models you want to copy and set them to be grabbable. Then create an attribute for the models that you want to copy and give them a name. Then open the training builder to begin setting up the interactive experience. Then from the Events section, add an event and assign it to the models you want to interact with. Then in the search window, type Make Node Copy and select it from the search results. This node allows you to create a copy of the selected model part within the experience. Then connect the Scene node input from the Make Node Copy to the node representing the object you want to duplicate. Then in the search bar, type Get Node Children and select it from the search results. This node retrieves the child nodes of the selected parent node. Then type Cast Scene node in the search bar and select it from the search results. This node identifies the selected scene node as a 3D object, allowing for further modifications like color and material changes. Then, type Get Node Material and select it from the search results. This node retrieves the material properties of the selected 3D object. Then type Set Material Color in the search bar and select it from the search results. Attach it to the output from the Get Node Material node, and set the desired color for the model. Then, type Set Material Alpha and select it from the search results. Attach this node to the output from the Set Node Material node. Set the alpha value to 0.1 to adjust the transparency of the material. This setting will make the material partially transparent, enhancing the visual distinction between the original and duplicated parts in the experience. Then type Set Node Glow State and select it from the search results. Connect this node to the output from the Get Node Material node to apply a glowing effect to the copied model. Then search for Set Node Grabbable State and select it. Connect it to the output from the Make Node Copy node, and set the state to false to disable grabbing for the copied model. Now let's test it.